My name is Eva Kühne and I am Director of EWA Sensors. I am happy to hear that SINO-DIP will sign a strategic cooperation agreement with the Shanghai Society of Environmental Sciences. It is my wish that the cooperation will have fruitful results under the framework of the Green Joint Work Programme 2023 to 2026 between the two countries. The EWA Sensors makes intelligent monitoring of the conditions of machinery in industrial plants and wastewater treatment plants. It monitors and analyzes the machine during operation, identifying if a machine failure starts developing, and creates warning and alarm messages to the maintenance personnel. This is for all types of machines, as for example pumps, blowers, gears and agitators. EWA Sensor would like to participate in the cooperation between SSES and SINO-DIP. I hope that with the help of SSES that EWA Sensors can be applied for monitoring the machines in the wastewater treatment plants in Shanghai in near future. EWA Sensor have a unique sensor technology, making robust machine analytics on the edge, and it's based on patented sensor algorithms. We would like to work together with you on intelligent machine health monitoring, creating new insights on plant operation, increasing the efficiency of the machinery, and increasing the overall machine lifetime. We can see mutual benefit on collaboration with SSES on a common pilot test site installation in Shanghai, focusing on both technical and environmental research and effect studies. EWA Sensors will welcome SSES to visit Denmark, and I will be delighted to present our company and technology further and showcase some installations at Danish wastewater treatment plants. All the best regards from Denmark, from me and from EWA Sensors. Thank you.